सो बेटा असी हुण फोटो कैमिस्ट्री की डेफिनेशन लिखनी है। फोटो कैमिस्ट्री की है कि जो इलैक्ट्रोमैगनैटिक रेडिएशनस फॉल करोगे एक सबस्टांस एक रिएक्टेंट ते तो वो क्या जा रिएक्शन मिक्सचर ते तो वो रेडिएशन जी उन्होंने की इफेक्ट है कैमिकल रिएक्शन पे और आल्सो द रेट्स एंड मैकेनिज्म ऑफ द केमिकल रिएक्शन caused by absorption of radiations. So what is photochemistry? It involves photochemistry involves the effect of involves the study of effect of electromagnetic radiations on the chemical reactions and rates and mechanism of the chemical reactions by the absorption of electromagnetic radiations so beta की सीगा it involves the study of effect of electromagnetic radiations on the chemical reactions and rates of and mechanisms of chemical reactions by the absorption of electromagnetic radiations which fall upon the reaction mixture under consideration. Clear है बेटा? सो बेटा की ऑब्जर्व किया आप फोटोकेमिस्ट्री इन्वॉल्व्स द स्टडी ऑफ इफेक्ट ऑफ रेडिएशन ऑन केमिकल रिएक्शंस एंड रेट्स एंड मैकेनिज्म ऑफ द केमिकल रिएक्शन caused by the absorption of light, here visible light radiation. Although the term radiation, electromagnetic radiation, so the wide range of it includes a variety of electromagnetic radiation, but साडा की concern है visible ते UV radiation, but in the photochemistry only the radiation which is absorbed lie in the visible and the UV region, which lie in the UV and visible region, having wavelength range from 8000 to 2000 angstrom or 800 to 200 nanometer wavelength. But a photochemical region in the electromagnetic spectrum is shown. बेटा मैं ਤੁਹਾਡੇ को ऑलरेडी गल कर चुकी हाँ UV तो लैके विजिबल रीजन तक आप गल करनी है। हुण अगे जो एक मॉलीक्यूल अब्जॉर्ब करूगा फोटोन ऑफ सफिशेंट एनर्जी वो गेट एक्साइट हो जाऊगा एक्टिवेट हो जाऊगा, ठीक है। अल्टीमेटली की होगा बेटा आप गल करिए कि वैन ए मॉलीक्यूल अब्जॉर्ब फोटोन ऑफ सफिशेंट एनर्जी and get excited means get activated, and that activated molecule will collide with the other molecule so as to bring about the effective collision and bring about the chemical reaction and ultimately convert into the product. And the reactions which occur with the absorption of radiations are called photochemical reactions. So what are photochemical reactions? ਆਪਾਂ ਉਹਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ, ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ। ਸੋ ਕੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜਦੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਮੋਲੀਕੂਲ ਅਬਜ਼ੌਰਬ ਕਰਦਾ ਆ ਫੋਟੋਨ ਆਫ ਸਫੀਸ਼ੀਐਂਟ ਐਨਰਜੀ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਟ ਗੈਟ excited, get activated, and obviously that will have sufficient energy, sufficient activation energy which bring about the chemical reaction, and obviously that excited or activated molecule will collide with the other molecule so as to bring about the effective collisions which bring about the chemical reactions. In this way, what are photochemical reactions? The reaction which occur with the absorption of electromagnetic radiation which provide the activation energy for their reaction to occur, they are called the photochemical reactions. So absorbed radiation supplies the required energy to the reactant. सो जी एनर्जी absorbed radiations आ वो सप्लाई करूँगी रिक्वायर्ड एनर्जी मतलब कि थ्रेशोल्ड एनर्जी टू द reactant, enabling them to react and give the product. It is important to note that only that radiation which is absorbed which can cause a chemical reaction. So photochemistry is therefore the study of rates and mechanism of reactions resulting from the exposure of a reaction mixture of a system or of a substance to the radiations lying in the visible and UV region between 800 to 200 nanometer wavelength. So photochemistry की है बेटा, it is the study of rates and mechanism of reactions, chemical reactions resulting from the exposure of a reaction mixture or a system or a substance to the radiations which lying in the visible and UV region in the range of wavelength 800 to 200 nanometer. Clear बेटा? सो बेटा ये अगर आप रिएक्शन मिक्सचर आ रिएक्शन मिक्सचर लिता इतने विजिबल रेडिएशनस आप फॉल कीतियां से 400 नैनोमीटर दी, ठीक है, रेडिएशनस फॉल की तो इनू जोड़ा है सपोज एक्सोथर्मिक रिएक्शन, सपोज इनू